Imagine you are biting a pickle. The telltale taste of vinegar fills your mouth. Have you ever wondered what vinegar actually is? The scientific name of vinegar is acetic acid, and the molecule is a monocarboxylic acid. In this video, we will discuss the various properties associated with carboxylic acid. Let's start with the physical property. Well, aliphatic carboxylic acid up to 9 carbon atoms are colorless, liquid at room temperature with unpleasant odor. The higher acids are wax-like solid and are practically odorless due to their low volatility. Carboxylic acid have higher boiling point than aldehyde, ketones and even alcohols of their comparable molecular masses. This is due to more extensive association of carboxylic acid molecule through intermolecular hydrogen bonding. In fact, most carboxylic acid exist as dimer in the vapor phase or in the aprotic solvent. Simple aliphatic carboxylic acid having up to 4 carbon atoms are miscible in water due to formation of hydrogen bonds. The solubility decreases with increase in the number of carbon atoms. However, higher carboxylic acid are practically insoluble in water due to increased hydrophobic interaction of hydrocarbon part, but are soluble in less polar organic solvents like benzene, ether, alcohol, chloroform, etc. The chemical reaction of carboxylic acid is classified into reactions involving the cleavage of oxygen-hydrogen bond, reaction involving the cleavage of carbon and hydroxyl bond, and the reaction involving carboxylic group. Here, we will discuss reactions involving cleavage of oxygen and hydrogen bond. The carboxylic acid evolve hydrogen with electropositive metals and form salts with alkalis. They also react with weaker bases such as carbonates and hydrogen carbonates to evolve carbon dioxide. This reaction used to detect the presence of carboxylic acid in an organic compound. Carboxylic acid also dissociate in water to give resonance stabilized carboxylate anion and hydronium ions. For the above reaction, the value of equilibrium constant and Ka, which is the acid dissociation constant, is given. For convenience, the structure of an acid is generally indicated by its pKa value rather than its Ka value. The pKa value of hydrochloric acid is -7, whereas pKa value of trifluoroacetic acid, which is the strongest carboxylic acid, benzoic acid and acetic acids are 0.23, 4.19 and 4.76 respectively. Please note that smaller the pKa value is, stronger will be the acid. Strong acids have pKa value less than 1. The acids with pKa value between 1 to 5 are considered to be moderately strong acids. Weak acids have pKa value between 5 and 15. And extremely weak acids have pKa value more than 15. Carboxylic acids are weaker than mineral acids, but they are stronger than alcohol and many simple phenols. Let's discuss the reason behind it. More the stability of anion, greater will be the strength of the acid. Here, in phenoxide ion, negative charge is delocalized on one oxygen atom, whereas in carboxylate ion, it is on 2 oxygen atom. Thus, carboxylate ion is more stable than phenoxide ion. Hence, acetic acid is more acidic than phenol. If you compare this situation with alkoxide ion obtained by the dissociation of alcohol molecule, you will see that no such resonance stabilization is possible. Also, the substituent affects the acidity of carboxylic acid. The electron withdrawing substituent such as halogens and nitro group stabilizes the carboxylate anion and increases the acidic strength. Whereas electron releasing substituents such as alkyl group destabilizes the carboxylate anion. Thus, it decreases the acidic strength. You can also see here that the number of halogen group increases in the carboxylic acid, its acidity also increases. This is because they make the release of H plus ion more and more easily. Here, if we take example of the first 5 acids listed here, we find that the pKa value keeps on increasing since the alkyl group are electron releasing in nature. They makes the release of H plus ion difficult and hence decreases the acidity. Also, the presence of electron withdrawing group on phenyl of aromatic carboxylic acid increases their acidity, while electron donating group decreases their acidity. Also, the direct attachment of group such as phenyl or vinyl to carboxylic acid increases the acidity. This is because greater electronegativity of sp2 hybridized carbon to which carboxylic carbon is attached. Now we have come to an end of this session. Can you answer which acid of each pair shown here would expect to be stronger? Now let's summarize what we have learned.
Manorama Horizon. Learning made simple.